Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this Insta360 camera, that how we can easily edit its videos without any hassle. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel. Now just switch on this camera, and after that go to your mobile phone, and over there you have to just search for Insta360 app. That should be installed by yourself before proceeding and setup. Now after that we have to connect to the camera. We have to click on this camera connect option, and it will start searching for the camera, and it will connect automatically. It's trying to connect. It's connected. Now you can access to the recorded all the videos of your camera. Now what we have to do, we have to choose whichever video we want to edit, and that will open like this shorts form, as you can check out. Okay, 1 second. It's not it's already edited by me. I just want to unedit it first, and after that we will edit it, because before editing we need to a fresh video like this. Now as you can check out, this one is the video. Now if you want to edit this video for shorts or Instagram reels or anything like this, then please keep it on this 9:16 frame, and if you want to make it a 16:9 frame, just choose that. This is the normal video frame. Now what we have to do, whichever frame we want to firstly record, we have to go to that frame, and after that by just moving by finger we can adjust to that frame and click on this plus icon, and after that move, and whichever frame you want to show, go on that, and after that click on this plus icon again. Now if we go backward and play again, you will find that movement is added to your video. Now if you want to follow that person, just follow that person and click on plus icon. As you can check out, I just followed myself and clicked on this plus icon, and it's trying to follow me, as you can check out. And if I want to follow again, just go to here and click on this plus icon. This is the scenario. And if we want to make a tiny planet, just we have to click on this plus icon, and over here we will find a tiny planet. Choose on that, it will automatically make a tiny planet. After that move forward and click on plus icon and go to ultra view or wide view, linear view, whichever you want to make the view, and click on 1 second linear, and okay, plus. After that when we play this video, it automatically make a tiny planet, sorry for the noise, tiny planet, and go to the linear mode again. This is the scenario, and this is the process how you can edit any video and process. Now what we have to do, if we want to render and export this video, pause this video, and over there you will find a export option over there. Click on that, and if you want to change the frame rate or anything, it will automatically go on this automatic, and it will choose the that you want to make it flat video or a 360. It depends on you. And if you want to make a custom changes into it, you can choose the resolutions, you can change the frame rates. If you want to change this, you can choose this, and if you want to change the bit rate, you can do that. And if you want to remove the grains, because if you recorded your videos in the night, then you choose this one, and it will remove little bit of grains from the video. And after that click on this export option, and it will start exporting your videos and rendering your video. It takes a little time. It depends on your video's length, how much video you are editing, how much long is this, it will depend on that. And now if you like this video, don't forget to like. I'm gonna show you what's the video rendered right now. So first of all, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos about these type of Insta360 cameras. Now the video is rendered almost 40%. Now it's almost 80%, 90%. Now video is rendered 99.9%. And now this is the video. Click on this album, it will open in the gallery, and there we will find our video. Click on that video and it's working properly, as you can check out. It's automatically edited video after adding few points. Now it's going to the tiny planet and it's going back to the linear, and I'm standing over there. That's the process, that's the scenario. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.